So I recently bought the Lenovo Yoga 920 here in Australia from JB Hi-Fi. So this is the i5 256 gig SSD version with 8 gigs of RAM. So we have a pretty nice box here, a bit fancier than a lot of other boxes. So it's part of the Yoga line, as you can see there. And the box sort of opens up like this. I will admit I have opened this before just to check that there weren't any damages or anything, and it's all good. So I have repackaged stuff, but it's the same experience. So if we take it out of this sleeve, you can see the Yoga logo right there. And I'll set that aside for now, and we can take out some of the accessories. So here we have a few little accessory boxes. So this one has a part of the charging brick and some documentation in it as well. I just open this up. There's one part of the power brick. There we go. Got some of that. So it's 65 watt charger. Uses USB-C on the end. I'll do a bit of plastic peeling. And then this part as well. Find it. Okay, so there's the charger. Let's put that aside for now. And then we also have some documentation. Just a few little leaflets. I think that's how to use the pen and just standard stuff that no one cares about. Then also in the box we have another one of these packages. If it wants to come out. So this one has the other end with a power cable. So just your Australian power plug and then the connector that attaches to this end of the power brick. And then, last but not least, we have the pen that goes with this keyboard, this computer. Because it is a yoga device, it has a touchscreen. So this is a pen you can use to write on it, and it comes with some batteries as well. So if I throw all this aside, so here's the laptop itself, and when you open it up for the first time, it has this little sleeve that tells you where all the ports are, and yeah, just keeps the screen on nice. So you can see it has the famous watch band hinge on the back there. It's got a USB-C port for charging, another USB-C port for charging. They're both Thunderbolt 3 with 4 PCI-E lanes. Got a headphone jack, and on the other side we have standard USB 3 Type A, a power button, and the recovery little button for if you want to restore the computer. And yeah, so that's the device itself. It's pretty nice. It's got an all metal design, which you expect for the price it costs. So I got it for $1,600 here in Australia for the base model, which is quite a bit, but for the features you get, it's worth it. And one of the main features is the yoga abilities. So as you can see, it flips up into a tablet, and you've got the keyboard there, so you can use it like that. You can also put it in tent mode for watching videos and stuff like that. So that's the Lenovo Yoga 920. Yeah, I'll probably be making some other videos on it in the future. See ya.